This week we're going to be learning 6 new sight words. We're going to go ahead and learn the word and spell them together. The first word is the word ago. Ago is spelled A-G-O. Can you say ago? Great job. Let's go ahead and spell it. A-G-O. The next word is the word boy. Boy is spelled B-O-Y. Can you say boy? Let's spell it together. B-O-Y. The next word is the word girl. Girl is spelled G-I-R-L. Can you say girl? Good. Let's go ahead and spell it. G-I-R-L. The next word is the word how. How is spelled H-O-W. Now, this right here is a little bit tricky, and we're going to be learning about it later. You would think it would be our long O, like we're learning about this week, right? But it is not. It's saying the word ow, ow, and we'll be learning about that later. So go ahead and say the word how. Good job, and let's spell it. H-O-W. The next word is the word old. Old is spelled O-L-D. Can you say the word old? Very good. Let's go ahead and spell it. O-L-D. Now our last word is the word people. Now people is spelled P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Let's go ahead and spell the word people. P-E-O-P-L-E. Great job. So these are your 6 new sight words. If you want to practice them throughout the week, they are on the back of your first page. You can see all of them listed there. Once you're done, go ahead and click the green check to show me that you've completed this video.